Hi everyone, I'm Lynn with Lash, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the length of the extensions. Now, a lot of my clients will sometimes ask me if they can go a little bit longer. Now, with that in mind, lash technicians can only apply an extension that is 3 millimeters longer than your natural lash. Now, anything over the 3 millimeter can be too heavy for the natural lash and can cause premature shedding, and over time can damage the natural lash. Now, one way to see if the extension is the right length, what you can do is grab an extension, find a natural lash, and place the extension right beside it. And then you can kind of eyeball to see if it's longer than 3 millimeters or if it's just the right length. So the next time you get your lashes done and you want to go a little bit longer, just make sure that your lash technician is putting the right length on your natural lash. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked that video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.